or welcome back to this channel. So on today's video I'll be preparing supper dinner, that is either way supper dinner, someone can tell me the difference. So on today's video I'll be preparing arrowroot mixed with the, is it Irish or sweet potatoes? Irish potatoes, yeah, that's what I'm having today. And in our mixture I'll add some green, is it, are these green peas? I guess so. Yes, I'll attach the real name in English. So guys, so this is what I'll be preparing today. So let me prepare my ingredients for this recipe, then I will show you the procedure for preparing it. Keep locked, and for those who have not subscribed, please hit that subscription button and continue supporting my channel. I'll really appreciate. Let me wash my arrowroot with the potatoes, then I'll show you the procedure. I'll be able to show you on the way to prepare it for our supper. A very healthy meal it is. Yep. So on our ingredients today, of course, I'll be showing you one on one, but we shall start by putting on our heat and then putting the sufuria on. So on that procedure, we let our sufuria heat first as we wait for our mixtures, as we wait to add cooking oil. So on my way of preparing it, I always leave the sufuria to heat first. Then after sufuria heats, I always come through with my cooking oil. Then after adding my cooking oil, then now that's when I start adding onion, garlic, and all those. So on our ingredients, those are all the ingredients. I've attached the name. I'm showing you what I'm going to use. And for this recipe, I'm including two spices. I told you on previous videos that I always don't like using spices, but on this I'll use some spices at least to spice up the food. I'll be using paprika and mixed spices. So at least on this video I'll be using some spices. And for the lovers of spices, I encourage you to be using your spices as long as you know they'll fit the recipe. So our oil now is ready. Now we have to add our onion to the oil, then later I can add on. So guys, as I continue showing you the ingredients, I still say thank you so much for the support. Thank you for those who are subscribing. Thank you for those who come to watch and they have been watching from day one. I really appreciate you guys, and I pray that today's on when today's on 27th or 26th, 27th. I know we can reach at least 300 subscribers by the end of this month. So guys, tell a friend to tell a friend to come support me, show some love to this video, and I'll really appreciate. So onto our cooking oil, we have added some onion, some garlic, and I come through with my salt. Yes, I'm adding salt to this mixture to spice it up. You know, salt is a spice. So for this one, I'm using a small spoon to add some salt. Then after that, I'll continue with everything. And so guys, I know I've not been consistent with my videos. I'm working up on something. I just noticed that there are so many things I needed to work on them, and so I decided to start working them. Because okay, I have a schedule, so I had to fix some things first, then now I start doing the videos. I know you'll not get tired of waiting for my videos because I'll be uploading them. Like today, I just felt like, wow, as I prepare this meal, let me share with my people so that we can go on the same page as I prepare this meal. So, all in all, I still encourage you guys that soon we are having elections. Let's have brotherly love, let's have sister love. Um, these politics come once in a while. Like the last time we had politics was like 5 years ago, yes, and now they are coming back. It's just also for a season. So within like 2 days, we are going to have, like one day we are going to hold the elections and it will be over. So guys, let's keep peace, let's have peace, let's love one another. Let me see each and every person as my brother, as my sister, so that guys, Aki, we don't engage in things that will ruin our relationship, that will cause harm. And if harm comes in, imagine we are the ones who are going to suffer the harm, nobody else. So for me, I'm just here to tell and encourage you guys that, Aki, please, let's show love to one another. Let's have peace. Let's just go vote, go back to your home. Let's go to the houses. And I know and I pray that our leaders shall accept them, accept the outcomes, and each and everything shall continue. As in, we just work on our things the way we've been doing. Like for example, life is so hard at this moment. So we don't need to engage ourselves in so many things. Wow, guys, that's just by the way. Our meal is continuing to cook, and I've just had added my main ingredients for today. So I have to stir them up before I come in with the water. And for this, I always put enough water. I always put the level of food with water so that it can hit kabisa kabisa, ikuwe sawa, as in by the time I'm finishing cooking, everything shall be okay. So guys, let's continue watching. Please watch up to the end. And sometimes, for those who have not watched my previous videos, there are some videos that have ads. Continue just watching ads. I know one day those ads will be of importance to me, and so please watch each and everything from start up to end. You are supporting my channel. I also need watch time hours. So guys, please continue supporting my channel. And also, I'm going to shout out my two friends that I work with closely. So kindly go to their YouTube channels and show some love. They are doing amazing and amazing work. We have Rice with Gladys Muthoni. Please go support her channel. We have also Triza Ngige Mini Space. I think I'll be able to attach their links on the description box. So go watch their videos and support their channel. Subscribe, like, comment, share to a friend. So guys, the last thing that I did, I added some French beans, and now 15 minutes later, the food looks so beautiful. Is it beautiful? Yes, it looks yummy. So guys, that's now the outcome. We've made our food. It's looking all yummy, but at this point I see it's somehow dry. So I'll add a little bit of water. Yes, I'll just add a little bit of water, then I let it cook for some 2 minutes, less than 2 minutes. Yes, then now I'll serve. Then on my today I'll be serving it with a juice. So whatever you serve with it, you can decide to take tea, you can decide to take with water. If you have juice, yes, do a glass of juice and enjoy your meal. Because for me, this meal is always strong. Arrowroot, potatoes, and French beans. This meal is strong. And guys, you can be able to see the outcome. It looks like it has some beef, but in real sense, no beef. So now this is after 2 minutes of adding some little water. The meal is ready, and we want to serve our meal. So what I always do, I always put off the light, then I add my coriander. Ooh, my coriander almost like karibu imwagike chini, but God came in control of it. Yeah, that's it. So I've put off the heat, then I've added the coriander. Guys, see how the meal looks like. Wow. Yeah, this is the sweetest meal by there. I really love it. This is the alternative, like I always do with ugali. Yeah, this is the strongest meal I can never substitute with ugali because I just feel it's the heaviest. So, guys, now here we are serving our meal. Oh my goodness, just it's so appetizing. Wow, I love it. Just see for yourself. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's, and here comes our avocado. Serve with avocado and then with a glass of juice. Hiyo avocado imeenda shule ikakoma ikagraduate mpaka ikapata kazi kwa government office. That's it. Oh my goodness. Yes, that's our meal. So appetizing and so yummy. So guys, let me enjoy my meal, then we shall catch up later. I'm so grateful. Continue supporting, subscribing, liking, watching, commenting, and all those. Yes. 10 minutes, 15 minutes later. That's how our plate looks like. That's how it looks like. Yes, that's how it looks like.